You're welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to look at businesses that you can, things that you can buy from the village and shift it to the city and make good money. One of the problems in Nigeria that farmers face is the inability to push their raw materials from the village to the city. If you can provide that solution, if you can bridge that gap, you know that you are going to make money, because when you solve a problem, when you render solution to a problem, you have cash. Business have started and you're going to make profit. So we're going to look at some of the easy items, very easy. Sometimes we look at it as common items, but if you move them to the city, they are very, very important, especially here in Nigeria. Before we go into each of those items, I want to let you know that since the government has changed and placed a ban on importation of certain commodities in Nigeria, there is a rise in the demand for local produce. So if you be able to supply these local produce in the city, you are going to make money. Restaurants are in need of it. Those that are those that have own food kiosks and all kind of things in the village, in the city, they need these things for their business to progress, to increase right in the city. The first item that you can buy from the village and shift it to the city and make good amount of money is timber. Now, although it's capital intensive, but if you step into it, you are going to make good money. One secret I've discovered in this business is that those that are sawing it, they don't make profit. But those that just come from the city, buy it and shift it down to the city, they make good profit excellently, without problems with the saw, without problem with those that carried the wood. Your own is to pay and collect, and you are going to make profit. So timber business is one business that you can connect the village to the city and make clean, cool cash very fast. Another thing that you can buy from the village and shift it to the city is locally produced food items like rice, foodstuffs like rice, garri, and so many things like that. So if you can, now recently you find out that the cost of garri is increasing every day. The price is increasing every day. The price of rice is increasing every day. Now if you have access to any of these commodities, buy them in large quantities, shift it to the city and make good money. My eldest brother's wife is into this business. They come to the village, buy garri in bags and shift it to the city. Now they sell it in a way that when I got there and was interviewing the wife, she was smiling because she's making a lot of profit. So buying garri only, even in the city, pineapples, like palm oil in the city, in the village, and shift it to the city, you are sure of profit. Now one of the easiest way to sell your produce or whatever you buy from the village is to connect to certain persons that when you come back from the village, your own is to supply to those families. For instance, if you are into buying garri, plantain, pineapples, there are people that are in need of this. It has been long they have not gone to the village, so they need this fresh produce. Now if you negotiate with them, whenever you come back, you just take it to them and they pay you cash and collect. So you see how lucrative the business is. It's a very, very good business. Now what you need to do is to sit down and look at your area in the city where you are living, what is needed, and you have it in your own area in excess. That way you are going to move down, buy those things, come to the city and make profit. Now, for instance, if you come to Abua in Rivers State during pineapple season, you will buy and get tired. Now most times these items are seasonal. What you need to do is, if it is the time that garri is shipped in the village, you switch to garri business. Now when oil is increasing, the cost of oil is increasing, you switch to just like that. Be flexible. Those items that cannot be seen in the city, that are expensive in the city, and you have them in excess, perishing in the village, get them and supply to the city and make good money. I tell you that you will comment below in other videos to tell me thank you. So think about these business ideas in the village that you can tap and supply in the city and make good money. And I tell you that you will no longer carry files to look for job. Thank you for watching. We are devoted to digging out business ideas, opportunities, and create a video on it, upload it on YouTube for you to enjoy. There are 3 things I want you to do for me. Subscribe, click on that notification bell. Number 2, please drop a comment. Now, if you have subscribed, you've dropped a comment. One more thing, like our video, like this video, and it means a lot to us. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video. Bye bye.